Alright guys, let's get in the lanes with Showdown. Railings in here is getting in my way.
With the Sample family team, with the Tony and the crew down there. 520.
Home, bud.
270.
How you doing, guys?
Kate and run for Stevie Noonan.
Hopefully I can get out there real quick. Hey, you. Hello. Showdown. This is Doug Gould's car. Just get a little look. Say hello to Class Racer. Thanks, bud.
Through the weekend up when they unloaded on Thursday. Teammates wearing on round number 1. Two-time national event winner last year, Anthony Schroeder, commentator. The Florida Farmer, Pet Tractors on the left side of the racetrack. And Melody Johnson on the right side of the racetrack.
Good luck, Jonathan. Alright guys, that's it. Looks like a 16 Showdown. Let's go take some pictures.
Building on it with each run.